Good day, this is Mike Olden, 404-379-7352. Shoot me an email at yourfleettruck@gmail.com. I want to take you a walk around this landscape dump body. This truck features the Isuzu 14.5 GVW, 297 horsepower gasoline engine, double automatic overdrive transmission. Behind this wonderful power, we have a 24-inch, 60-inch tall cross box. It has a step bar on the bottom of it, T-handles to make sure inclement weather is not going to affect the access. We have the ground level tarp set against the side with 24-inch fold-down sides that are 10 feet long for the dump body portion. At the back you have removable stake beds. This is featuring a 4-foot dovetail, 5-foot gate, split, spring tensioned. It is removable, so you can set it down to do the full dump style for your product. On the passenger side you have the 36-inch undermount toolbox and of course the step and grab access to get into the back of the body. I want to show you how to remove the removable dovetail on this 10-foot landscaper's body. Again, 10 feet of working flat floor, 4-foot dovetail, 5-foot gate. It's a dump body. Let's take a look. First we're going to take and release the safety chain. And while I do this, I'll go ahead and share with you that the electrical connection is up underneath the side of it to undo the back portion, because you have two sets of lights. One set of light works the actual body. The second set of light works when it's the dump trailer. So now we've got a nice release on here, a couple more turns, and we'll be able to release the safety pins. This is a true time test on it. I'm not too bad so far. All right, now we got the lower pins out. We got the top pins released. We've got the electrical connection done. We got our load binders off. We're going to raise the bed so you can see how it will sit down as you do the disconnecting feature of this body. So again, what you're seeing is the dump body is coming down to make ground contact. We have space up at the front of the truck. That way again, because the body will help propel the truck forward, so you want to be in neutral with your foot lightly on the brake. You'll start seeing the body sway away. There we go. And there you have the pushing of the wheels to the forward position as it comes down through here. Again, you can start seeing the separation, and we'll be at a part to where when it's fully down, it'll be resting on the ground. And there we have it. You start seeing how they raise up, and we've taken the stress off of the actual top pin position. Great. That's the way to unload and remove the rear dovetail section. Excellent. Now after a day of use as a dump body, we need to go ahead and load up our dovetail ramp on the back of our dump truck. To do so, we're going to line up this dog ear into our channel as we back up. This will push into this socket here, and you'll start seeing the truck gently move back your landscape dovetail. Alright, so now we're going to go back into the remounting position we talked about. We got the truck lined up for this simple practice right here. In reverse, see how it slides inside on one side, slide inside on the other side, and then we can go ahead and begin putting the pin back in and start jacking it up. Alright, so now we've got everything lined in. We put in our safety pins. So you're lowering it down, and you're slowly backing into it, and therefore it gets onto its hook. And that is, again, how you come in, and we're going to lower the rest of the dump down. And at this point in time, the truck is back in the park position. We had a little bit of about a 12-inch drag. Be mindful of that when you're on the properties that you'll be working at. If you're going to try and do both at the same property, leave yourself a little board distance to go ahead and make sure that you're not going to get into your client's property. We've come back up here. And as you can tell, it's set down. Again, my name is Mike Olden. You can reach me at 404-379-7352 or shoot me an email, yourfleettruck@gmail.com, and I look forward to working with you on your next truck. Thank you.